Okay, what we've got here is a 2-horse vertical T Special Electric Fairbanks Mars. Belongs to Dick Brown down in Kentucky. We're at Pinkneyville, Illinois at the American Thrashman Show. A lot of nice engines here. You see a lot of T's, but you don't see many that are Special Electric. I like his wiring job. Functional. Little horse and a half Waterloo boy, owned by Dick. I believe that's a repo Fairbanks boy's tractor. It also has an H on it. Yeah, something blowed up. Nine-horse Novo, long Gary Bear, Coulterville, 6-horse. M International on an original cart. Nice engine.